Hello everyone, welcome to Moneycontrol's third edition of Mutual Fund Summit, and I have a very special guest joining me, Kailash Kulkarni, CEO of HSBC Asset Management. Kailash, thank you so much for joining me. What's your first thoughts?
Thanks for inviting me. It's great to be a part of this summit. I think Moneycontrol is a great brand. Most people follow it. So anything said, heard, spoken on Moneycontrol platforms is heard by millions and millions of people. And there are people who will take some advice, listen to what we have to say, give their views. So it's always fascinating to be on this platform, which does a lot of education and helps India become better investors.
So I'm going to ask you some quick questions and you have to answer in short answers. So first, active or passive investing, what do you suggest?
Active investing.
How much percentage of your portfolio is now allocated to equities?
I'm a great believer in the India story. I think this is the decade for India, and hence all my money virtually is into equities. There's hardly anything in fixed income other than my provident fund or something like that.
The best piece of advice that you've received when you're managing investments?
There was an old ad which said, fill it, shut it, forget it, which means once you've chosen the right product to invest in for a particular reason, just invest and forget. Don't track the NAVs, don't look at it so often, don't get too worried about it. I think that's the best advice, because I think if I look at my personal portfolio, one of the funds which I'd forgotten I'd invested in has actually delivered fantastic returns.
So what do you think is the biggest challenge for asset managers right now in 2024?
The biggest challenge for asset managers in 2024, I think, is manage investor expectations. We've had some great years behind us and the investor expectations have gone too high. I think people need to pare down the expectations, and it's our job really to educate people that, the kind of returns which you saw in 23-24 financial year can't be sustained over a long period of time. So that's the biggest challenge I think we have.
And a long day in market, how do you unwind yourself?
I prefer to go for jungle safaris, to unwind myself. I'm an adventure buff, so I love adventure sport, and most important for me, unwinding is all about travel. So travel to different places within India, outside India, to just unwind myself.
All right, on that note, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.